for our most exciting launch to date. Revealed, the first and only platform on JVZOO that allows you to create doctorate-quality AI content that is fully undetectable to any and all AI content scanners, first of its kind. Real AI supercharger to hit JVZOO over $5,000 in prizes. Via 2 prize pools proven. Recurring income funnel for long-term earnings, mass appeal product with all the signs of a $100K plus launch. Click here. Join our mailing list. Today request your ByPaiss affiliate link. Click the button to request your JVZOO affiliate link to promote ByPaiss. Get your affiliate link powered by JVZOO. What is ByPaiss? Is the first and only platform on JVZOO that allows you to create doctorate-quality AI content that is fully undetectable to any and all AI content scanners. Demo video. Let me show you how simple and easy it is to use ByPaiss to take your AI content to the next level. Have you heard the rumors? AI content is more accessible than ever right now, right? Literally anyone has GPT-4, GPT-3, etc. at their fingertips to be able to quickly and easily create content for just about any niche and any language they'd like. It's become so easy and so popular that everyone is starting to use it. But with that popularity comes trouble, and also starts to spark the rumors like, will Google penalize AI content? When these rumors started circling, a ton of marketers started to panic, and for good reason. Many of us have seen this movie series way too many times already. Lol. However, thankfully, Google has come out and said that they will not be penalizing website owners who are
Hey guys,
using
Josh
AI
with more here
content
with a very
yet.
quick video
However,
to talk to you
thankfully,
about
Google has come out and
pre-launching
said
and
that they will
hard
not be
coding
penalizing
so
website
that you can
owners who
feel
are using
confident when
AI
promoting our
content yet.
pre-launch
That's a
and
big
knowing
yet.
that you are
Although they have
actually going to.
officially published that they will not penalize AI content, they have said that they are still putting quality of content above all, which kinda leaves some wiggle room for them to move around when deciding what is quality AI content and what is not. We have no idea what Google will decide to do tomorrow, next week, or next year as AI content grows and starts to be used a lot more. Think about it. At one point in SEO time, duplicate PLR content worked well, then Google penalized it. Spun